Bengaluru. Thank you so much.
Hi Vrida, Namaskara Bengaluru. Very, very happy and excited to launch our 4th store at HSR Layout. This is an exclusive showroom showcasing beautiful gifts that we have curated for Bengaluru. So very happy day for all of us here.
So in this video we will quickly take you through, and it's going to be more conversational.
Absolutely.
On how you got into Vetri.
Absolutely.
And what plans we have for future for Vetri as well.
Absolutely. So lot of new collection this time. I think we'll quickly give you a walkthrough of different things that we've gotten specifically for HSR. So just to give you a quick peek of what we've done. So we have a huge collection of premium gifts, starting with brass, German silver, we have Tanjore painting, we have a lot of decor items that we've got, which is very, very unique. So this rack here completely hosts a variety of diya. Wow. So I'll just show you one quick diya. This is a Lakshmi diya. Brinda is holding a beautiful parrot diya.
And this is also a great gifting option for housewarming.
Absolutely.
Right?
Absolutely.
So if we are just stepping out for a function, we can just, people will be really able to appreciate these kind of gifts.
Absolutely. So we have different figurines and idols that comes in different sizes. So based on your budget,
these are traditional Kumbakonam style.
Yes,
velakku,
these
right?
are Nachiyar Koil velakku. All these are completely handmade. A lot of detailing has been done. This one comes with Annapakshi. We can have these top. These are all completely detachable. So makes it very convenient to clean and use. Urlis along with diya. And we have
What is so special about this, Shweta?
This one is a completely new piece, done to perfection. Look at the tile work and the hand painting work that is done. Beautiful beads to make it very, very gorgeous and unique. We also have utility collection here.
We are still not done with brass.
Yes. So we have a lot of utility. We have trays, plates, doopdans, we have bells, we have beautiful glasses, etc. So these bells, etc. Again, a great choice of return gift that people buy. We have these Aarti diyas, which we just use to light up our lamp right now. This one, look at the detailing, looks very, very classy and very elegant.
Then we have a whole set of wall hangings. This is also, I think, everything is brass, right?
Yes, yes.
So with this, we'll move on to the next section, German silver.
Absolutely.
So we have different types of German silver products, starting from Urlis, we have Kalash, we have Tulsi Madam, banana trees. All these are puja essentials, right?
Absolutely.
Especially during Varma Lakshmi and Navratri, people come and buy all this, right?
Absolutely.
And these are also a great option for return gift. It just looks like pure silver.
Absolutely.
So now we'll move on to the wedding essentials. We have curated a lot of customized dolls according to the requirement of different types of occasions that customers come to us, right?
Absolutely.
So we have a beautiful display of Radha Krishna, Devi, we have Iyer style doll, Iyengar style doll, baby shower, and much more. So next we are moving on to another set of wedding essentials. So these are all stainless steel, right?
Yes, so beautiful Meenakari utility products that people use as part of events. So may it be a wedding, housewarming ceremony, all these are used. So look at this particular design. All these come with high quality stainless steel, wherein we've done gold oxidized work all throughout. Again, on the lid as well, there's a lot of work that is done. And these can be regularly used and not something that you would buy and put aside after the event. So that is very, very important. You're investing your money, you should be able to use it for a long time.
And Meenakari itself is a lovely art form, right?
Absolutely.
When we travel, we used to see Karigar ladies sitting at home and hand painting everything. All these are handmade. Just look at the finish. Everything is handmade.
Yes,
right?
beautiful.
Only when you visually see how they make this, you will be in awe with the end product, right?
Absolutely.
So this is not just a simple stainless steel dabba.
Absolutely.
Right? It's an art piece.
So we also have very, very nice designs in tray. So these are copper finished tray. Event essentials, you can keep it for the wedding. So just look at this one. Beautiful designs, floral design. Copper has been trending again. Vetri has been a pioneer in introducing this copper finish trays. Looks very, very classy, and these can be used for a very, very long time.
These are some lovely meenakari in pastel. You would have seen a lot of meenakari in bright colors like maroon, greens, blues. This is a lovely pastel meenakari that's a lot trending, right? So
Absolutely.
we have these kind of parats, we have bajots in pastel, we have patlas in pastels, we have trays in pastel color combinations.
Look at these patlas, right? Again, very, very
This
unique.
is also very festive, but it gives a different class when
Very, very
displayed,
unique,
right?
very unique, and again have been receiving a great response for our customers. We have both vibrant colors and pastel colors. We can customize these designs for any bulk requirement as well.
Just look at the shape. Again, this is very unique product of ours.
Absolutely.
We would have seen a rectangle tray, we would have seen a round shaped one, and this is very different and unique, right?
Absolutely. This is a manai. Again, something on top of which you can keep an idol, even a brass figurine. Very, very solid. Look at the finish that is there. So we have different sizes and color combinations available, all these manai.
So return gifts, we have a wide range depending on the budget that the customer wants to choose from,
Yes,
right?
Brenda. So we have products starting 20 rupees going up to 2000 rupees, right? For example, let me show you this product. So this is a meenakari glass. Would you believe the price of this product is only 59 rupees?
Really?
Absolutely.
Wow.
And look at the color combination. It's a beautiful Anupakshi motif done on copper. All these are completely handmade. And we could do engraving at the back, which again can be a very customized product. A name of bride and groom printed here for naming ceremony. You can print the name of the child. So you can customize all this, and comes with a beautiful thank you box.
That's exactly what I wanted to ask. Every gift of ours, it comes with a nice packaged box that can be directly given to your guests.
Absolutely. We also have, beautiful kumkum holders in German silver, Brinda. Again, one of your personal favorites.
Yes.
I think Brinda bought this in bulk for Navratri. Right, so this is a 3-cup kumkum holder. We have 2-cup, 4-cup. So we have different sizes and shapes available. A great utility product for any puja or
This
special
is
occasion.
my personal favorite. Yeah, I've been gifting this to a lot of my near and dear ones,
Absolutely.
and they really appreciate this. Yeah,
And
it's a
they'll put
lovely
it to
product.
use. Yeah,
exactly.
And for
exactly.
any German silver, I would like to say that they need to maintain the product similar to silver.
Similar to silver.
So use Colgate powder, use all these beautiful, things which are available at home to clean it up and make it shine the way it is. We also have a lot of Paduka prayer boxes. As Brinda said, we have purses and all that's available as a return gift option.
So in bags, we have our own manufacturing unit of jute bags, and hence we can customize anything respect to size, with respect to fabric, with respect to design, right Shweta? And we've done a huge number of orders in jute bags alone, and if you have a bulk requirement for bags, we are here for you.
And we
Elephant
have
stools, one of
Yes.
our hot selling products.
Absolutely. We have products starting 8 inches going up to 15 inches. We have different patterns. We have beautiful brass fitted stools. We have beautiful hand painted stools. Look at this one. Looks very, very gorgeous. You can place a figurine. You can place a flower vase on top of it. Looks very, very classy and elegant. Very sturdy as well. So something that you can buy in bulk. We also have beautiful Manai collection, Bajot collection. So all these products comes in different color combination. As Brinda said, these Bajots come in pastel
Pastels.
shades.
Lovely.
Again, look at
Beautiful,
the lamination and the finish that is there. So for Gauri Ganesha, for Varalakshmi, any occasion you have at home, this is something that you will definitely put to use and something that will stay as is for a very, very long time.
So here we have our wide range of clocks and frames.
We also have very exclusive collection of metal decor.
So metal decors were also one of our best sellers in Bangalore,
Absolutely,
right? People
absolutely.
always come and pick up these lovely home decors to gift to their loved ones.
Very importantly, comes in budget and also make sure it looks vibrant, something they buy for themselves or great gifting option for weddings, for housewarming, because as a decor, it looks very, very nice. Comes at a very, very affordable pricing. So very, very excited to host you all at our 4th store at HSR Layout, Bengaluru. We are located at ground floor, number 799, 19th Main, 23rd Cross, HSR Layout, Bengaluru.
You can go to Google Maps, search for Vetri HSR, and we are here. We welcome you all to visit our store. I'm sure it's going to be a treat for all your eyes.
So look forward to seeing you all and hosting you at our store.
Thank
Happy
you.
shopping, revel in the joy of gifting to yourself and to your loved ones.